Once again, good morning everybody. This is Teacher Joker again, and our subject for today is English. Our topic for today is the main kinds of exercise. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so we're going to review first our vocabulary. So last time we had exercise, breathe fast, heart, blood, lungs, muscles, oxygen, joints, body, and healthy and cool. Again, exercise, breathe fast, heart, blood, lungs, muscles, oxygen, joints, body, healthy and cool. So that was our vocabulary last time. And today we have here aerobic exercise. Again, aerobic exercise. Aerobic exercise. Swimming, swimming. Tennis, tennis. Skip, skip. Jump, jump. Run, run. Playground, playground. Okay, one more time. Number 1, aerobic exercise. 2, swimming. 3, tennis. 4, skip. 5, jump. 6, run. And number 7, we have playground. Okay, so those are our vocabulary for today. So skip meaning you're going to jump using a rope. Okay, so jump, run. Tennis is a sport, playground is where you play, and swimming. So those are just some pictures of our vocabulary for today. So before we start, kindly open your workbook on page 20 and student's book on page 22. Okay, so there are 3 main kinds of exercise. We have here aerobic exercise, which is our topic for today, this is our topic for today class. So first is aerobic exercise. Second is strength training and flexibility training. Okay, but for today we're going to start first with aerobic exercise. Okay, so there are 3 main kinds of exercise. First is aerobic exercise. So aerobic exercise needs a lot of oxygen. It makes you breathe fast. Again, aerobic exercise needs a lot of oxygen. It makes you breathe fast. Aerobic exercise is good for your heart. Okay, so what is aerobic exercise good for? It's good for the heart. Swimming and tennis are examples of aerobic exercise. When you run, skip, and jump in the playground, that's aerobic exercise too. Okay, so what are the examples of aerobic exercise? So we have swimming, tennis, what else? Skip, jump, and that's it. Okay, so those are just few examples of aerobic exercise. We have swimming, tennis, skip, and jump. Okay, class? Okay, I'm going to read it again. Aerobic exercise needs a lot of oxygen. It makes you breathe fast. Aerobic exercise is good for your heart. Swimming and tennis are examples of aerobic exercise. When you run, skip, and jump in the playground, that's aerobic exercise too. So again, we're going to read it again. There are 3 main kinds of exercise. Aerobic exercise is the first one. And what does it mean by aerobic exercise? Aerobic exercise needs a lot of oxygen. It makes you breathe fast. Aerobic exercise is good for your heart. Swimming and tennis are examples of aerobic exercise. When you run, skip, and jump in the playground, that's aerobic exercise too. Okay? So now I have some question for you, class. So based on what we read a while ago, what are the examples of aerobic exercise? Can you give me some examples of it? Okay, so first is swimming. Okay, swimming is considered an aerobic exercise. Tennis, running, skipping, and jumping. So those five, we have swimming, tennis, running, skipping, and jumping. Those are the examples of aerobic exercise. Okay, we have many more examples of aerobic exercise, but in your book we have only five, and we're going to follow these five examples. Okay. Exercise. Now, what is aerobic exercise? Aerobic exercise needs a lot of oxygen. It makes you breathe fast, and this is also good for the heart. And for your activity class, you're going to click the link below and then answer the questions, the given questions using the Google form. Okay? So don't forget to write your name and then send right away. And for your next activity, you're going to write the kinds of exercise on your notebook. Okay? So kindly write first number 1, which is our topic today. And then tomorrow, you're going to write the others. Okay? So write this one on your notebook and then answer the Google form. Understood? So for today, you have 2 activities to do. First, you're going to answer the Google form and then write this one on your notebook. Okay? So if you have any questions about your activity, you can just ask me in a line. So that ends our lesson today, and see you again in the next period.